Life can be tough. Sometimes, things don't go as we hope. But when you don't give up, great things can happen. Here are a few stories to show you why it's worth it to keep trying. Take Thomas Edison. He wanted to invent the light bulb. But it took him over 1,000 tries. Many people give up after facing failures. But Edison didn't. He kept trying until he succeeded. Because he didn't give up, he brought light to the world. Or look at J.K. Rowling, the author of the Harry Potter books. Before she became famous, she faced many struggles. She didn't have much money, and her book was rejected by 12 publishers. Imagine being told no 12 times. But Rowling kept trying. Finally, a publisher said yes, and now her books are loved by millions. Michael Jordan, one of the best basketball players ever, also has a story about not giving up. When he was in high school, he tried out for the varsity basketball team. He really wanted to be selected for it, but he wasn't chosen. This was a huge disappointment. Many people find it frightening and quit, but Jordan didn't. He practiced harder and became one of the greatest players. These people didn't give up, even when things got hard. They kept going, and because of that, they reached their dreams. So, remember this. When things get hard, don't stop. Keep pushing. Whether you're studying, working, or chasing a dream, there will be tough days. But if you don't give up, you might just reach something amazing. Never giving up means believing in yourself and making progress step by step. And who knows? One day, you might have your own story of success to tell. Keep going. You have got this.